How to configure private DNS automatically. This tutorial shows you how to let your phone automatically encrypt DNS requests for better privacy. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Connections from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on More Connection Settings to see additional options. At this point, tap on Private DNS to open its settings. In the next step, 3 options will appear on your screen. Following this, tap on Automatic Private DNS to let your phone encrypt DNS requests whenever possible. Once done, tap on Save or the checkmark icon to confirm your selection. From here, close settings once private DNS is set to automatic. Keep in mind, automatic mode falls back to unencrypted DNS if the connection can't be encrypted, unlike private DNS provider hostname, which requires a working encrypted connection at all times. Finally, come back to this same menu anytime you want to switch to off or a specific provider hostname instead. And that's it. If this guide helped you configure private DNS automatically, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.